Hi, welcome to the how-to series. I'm using the Scanncut DX for this series. This tutorial is going to show you how to put a pattern that's inbuilt into the system onto 3 separate cards all in one cut. So follow along. Don't forget to or remember to subscribe and like the video so others can find it as well. And for more tutorials, it's createwithsue.com. So we'll add a pattern. Go into patterns, and most of the pictures are in this one. We've got some in the Disney. We'll go into this one down here, and so there's lots of patterns in here to choose from. I'm just going to choose the heart because I want all 3 of those onto that. I'm just going to reduce the size a bit. I don't want it quite that big. Go down a little bit. You can see that it is reducing in scale. You do that in edit, change your mat size there. I want it quite small. We'll just go down, maybe there. That'll do. So you're presented with a number of options. So A, B, C. So that's 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. And that's it, all in the layers. You can see the little layer picture there. So that's the whole lot of the layers will be placed on there. We're just going to add them separately in this instance. We'll put piece A on the mat, and we'll set that, and then we're going to go and add. So we'll add layer B and set that. You can see it's put it next to it. If you put the layers one on, it'll be sitting on top, and we'll add that last piece as well. You can see it just there. Go OK. And now what I want to do is I want to scan my sheets of card that I've got on my mat. So we'll scan it. It just says scan the mat and show as background. So press start. We'll go in and scan. You can see all the different pieces. So what you can do is just move it. We'll move that piece there, and we'll move that piece in there, and we'll move that piece there. I've actually managed to get right into these little tiny pieces here with designs when you're really scratching for room. I save as many scraps as I can. And you can really get it quite finite. You can zoom right in and see how you're going with that. And I'll just do that, edit, and we'll go to zoom. You can see you could bring that over there, and you could put that right down in that point down there. You can zoom in a bit more if you want to too. And just scroll. Very, very close to the edge. Probably wouldn't go right to the edge if you didn't have to. Just leave a little bit, but you can go right to the edge. We'll go OK, and OK, and OK. Then we're going to please select to cut out the shape. And I've got half cut on. I was cutting vinyl. So remember to go and turn that off if you've been cutting vinyl. And you can do a test cut if you'd like. I might add a test cut as well for this one. Just add a test cut. I'll just pop it over here. If I can grab it. Just put it over here somewhere. Probably there. So you can see exactly where your card is and the funny shapes it makes. And we'll start the test cut for starters. You can see it's cut a little tiny triangle to the correct depth. So I was happy with that test cut. Didn't score my mat too much, so that's good. Just reduce the pressure if you need to. Test again if you make some changes. and we can go start. So you notice the cardstock moved a little bit in the blue. Let's cut it out like that, moved halfway through. I did think as it started that the card had lifted. It's a simple remedy for that. Let's use some blue masking tape or some washi tape, whatever you've got. Try not to use sticky tape, it's too sticky and you can't see it. It's really difficult to get off, especially if it comes lost in your machine. It's a big major. So just put a little bit of masking tape or washi tape around the edges. We'll hold it down. And when you're ready, you can cut that piece again. Because I've got some the blue washi tape there now. I want to make sure I don't cut over the blue washi tape, the blue masking tape. And I also don't want to cut where I've already cut. So it's wrecked that little bit of card there. So back on this bit we can choose select the next part, which we'll do because it'll make it a little bit easier for me. Choose that piece that didn't cut out properly. Go OK and OK. And we'll move it right down here like that. And we can zoom in to have a look to see where we want to place it. Go up to the zoom feature and scroll down. And you can just see the outline of the mistaken cut. You can move it around like this. Or if you want to just move it a little bit at a time, you can use the arrows. And it will keep it in alignment too. So if you're using lettering or something, you may need the letters to stay exact. Then you go OK, OK, and OK. Cut and start. And there's the 3 pieces cut out perfectly. Thanks for joining me. For more videos and tutorials, head over to createwithsue.com or check out my YouTube channel for other videos. See you next time.